What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do another video on Karmelo Anthony. I made one in the past, but I guess you guys didn't care for the video, but I'm gonna give this one more shot. So I'm gonna go over this Anton Daniels review and tell me what you guys think, man. I want to hear you guys' opinion on this one. I'm gonna play the video.
This is courtesy Collin County District Court, showing photos with evidence markers, the murder weapon, that blade. There is the scene of where the stabbing took place, and his backpack, Karmelo Anthony's backpack, right there. Now, the District Court also released surveillance video. You'll see on your screen here that lit up orb in the top left-hand side of your screen. That is Karmelo Anthony.
Dude is taking off. He's like speed of light. Like, why he didn't do this before instead of stabbing the dude? If he was having issues with them people, dude could have left. He took off like he wasn't like held against his will or nothing. He just walk away from shit. He had too much pride and shit. That's what I think he had a lot of pride, and he had to come at them boys like that, man. It's crazy.
Exiting the tent and walking along the sideline of that track field in Frisco, Texas. You can see that video here released just now by the Collin County District Court as he continues to walk along the perimeter of that track field.
You can see the guy, people are chasing him too, man. It's crazy. Like, get that, bring him back over here. He just stabbed somebody.
Again, you can see the graphic on your screen of the orb that is highlighted Karmelo Anthony on that day in 2025. Now, just to remind you here, Karmelo Anthony was found guilty of murder for fatally stabbing 17-year-old Austin Metcalf at this 2025 track meet. He received a 35-year prison sentence.
Which is good. He's guilty as fuck. He deserved that shit.
Just a reminder here, he faced anywhere from 5 to 99 years. Now, prosecutors labeled the fatal stadium stabbing a provoked, unjustified sneak attack inside that team tent that you saw moments ago. Again, this video here released to the public today by the judge in the district court. Now, we do have full body camera video. We're going to play that out here for in full for you. Viewer discretion is advised.
So before we get into that, let me just say this. Every single person that made this into a race issue needs...
That's my thing, man. A lot of people make that shit into a race thing. That shit ain't about no race, bro. It's two people get into an altercation, one dude stabs. That shit had nothing to do with the damn race, man. Like, this world's so messed up, they got everything about race all the damn time.
To apologize and tried to make it seem like and villainize the father, Jeff Metcalf, the son, Austin Metcalf, and people in general that stood for justice and was more focused on whether or not it was the right or the wrong thing. And then there was the culture that turned it into a race-baiting conversation. And even people on the white side that tried to make it a race-baiting conversation. In general...
Yeah, it's on both sides, you know. White people and black people, they're all making it a race thing from a damn year. Which was annoying.
This was a situation where he went into there unprovoked. He planned on getting his hands dirty. He showed no remorse. The story is completely different from how people tried to frame it, and they tried to make it seem like he got jumped and beat up. Well, that doesn't happen. And then you can also see it, and you can go in and check this out. I'll put a link down in the description or whatever.
It's like no wonder why they found him guilty so fast, cause like look at that, like dude wasn't getting jumped, he wasn't getting beat up. I see why that case was like 3 hours. The jury was like, oh man, he did it. He's cooked. This dude ain't getting out. Hopefully he probably won't get out early either. He needs to do the full 35 plus. Maybe he'll fuck up and do more time. He's a piece of shit, man.
It was just clearly him doing something he wasn't supposed to do, and he had to be held accountable for it. Unfortunately, Austin Metcalf is no longer here with us. Their family is completely ripped apart and devastated. And for whatever reason, because if this was a black on black crime, because I report on what's happening in Chicago, it was just a mass shooting. That video should be coming out right after this one. We always want to make it a race-based conversation, and it bothers me. it bothers me to my core because this ain't about race. This was about justice. This was about right or wrong. And if he did what he was supposed to do, or if he was actually, because let's be clear, the knife that was shown, everything, he had to go and get it out of his backpack. You're not even supposed to bring a knife, whether you're an adult or whether you are a high school student, and he was a senior. You were not supposed to bring a knife.
It's almost like low key, like he planned it. Like, why you bring that knife to that shit? Like, I don't know, man. Something's up.
On campus, it doesn't matter if you are able to legally carry it in other situations. You can't bring one on school grounds. So all the way across the board, you go through and you start looking at all of this evidence and all of this conversation. He was just wrong. He was wrong 10 times out of 10. I'm about to go into the surveillance footage or the body cam footage of him getting arrested. And then we'll go from there.
If somebody is shooting the victim, they need to be over there. Don't reach for anything, all right, man? Stop right there for me. Dispatch 443. I got these suspects. Okay, they're currently treating the victim. Again, he's on the north end of the stadium. All right. Anyway, like that. Good. I'll look here.
Watermelon felon.
Y'all back up a little bit. Come over here for me. Come over here. Come up with your head just for now, okay?
Look at that fear of God on this thing. That's a disgrace. Bad people like that shouldn't even mention God.
Dispatch 443. Everybody can slow down. I got the alleged suspect in handcuffs right now detained.
I'm still trying to figure out who's worse, Anthony Karmelo or his family. His family is horrible too, man. They got a shitty family. Like they don't take no accountability for nothing, man. They're fucking victims, bro.
You can open up the channel, and medics are clear to come in.
That's the shit that bothered me about the most sorry about this case. Like the family was like victims. Like the real victims are the one that for the kid that died, and his family just like off the bat made it all about them, man. It's wild, man.
Have them come to the northeast entrance. That's the main gate that's wide open there, and then come to the victim from there. This is the alleged suspect. Okay. What thing down? So nothing on your person at all? Nothing? Mind if I reach in your pockets and stuff and all that? Nothing stabbing us? Okay. I'm okay. A little personal there, okay? Just to make sure. Okay.
So what, he even had a knife on him, but he stabbed the dude and threw the knife on the floor or some crazy shit?
The victim's gonna be underneath that tent over there, so okay. Medics. Memorial tent over there, guys. Alright. He put his hands on me! He put his hands on me! I told him not to! He put his hands on me! What's the matter right now?
Fake ass motherfucker, bro.
Victim, over here on the north end. They got staff standing to him right now. This is like stuff that's going on. Already? No. We served some guy. I don't know what happened.
All of the staff's like, we don't know this motherfucker. We never even seen this little scumbag. We don't know what he's doing on the property.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
That's fine. This is closer.
Okay. Let me do one more little check of you, okay? You don't mind for reaching your pockets, anything like that? You good?
I'm wearing some little underwear.
Oh, yeah.
No, man, I don't think so.
What's your name, man?
Karmelo Anthony, Karmelo.
Okay. Have a seat here real quick, man. Watch your head.
You know, I think his fucking parents named him after the damn basketball player. Cause there is a Karmelo Anthony, but with a C. It ain't no coincidence, man. Them damn parents. There's a new generation of people, younger people. They're a lot younger than me. I know I look young, but I'm old. And they be naming it after these fucking basketball players, man. They're fucking degenerates, man.
Check your hood here, buddy, okay? I'll tell you what, lean this way so you're not resting on your hands, okay? All right, see a little bit of blood on your hands there, okay? All right. So your first name is Karmelo? Let's see, hold on a second. I don't know yet. Karmelo, Karmelo, Karmelo. What's your last name? Anth. Fine, what grade are you in?
I'm
10th grade? You go to Emerson? Where do you go? Centennial. Okay.
I'm in 12th grade.
12th grade? Okay.
Dumbass don't even know what fucking grade he's in, man. What a retard.
All right, sit tight for me, okay, bud, all right?
Either that or he's a pathological liar.
Let me run this guy real quick. I haven't talked to him at all.
Those moments there, Anthony being taken into custody. Brooke Taylor posting this on X. Judge John Roach tells me he released the evidence because, quote, I understand the public's desire to know what happened in the courtroom. The overwhelming focus on my ruling regarding the media in the courtroom was to protect the process, witnesses, and jury. Now that the trial is over, it is important to me to provide transparency. Again, no camera.
Yeah, I'm glad they posted this. This is what you needed right here, man. I'm gonna stop the video here. Tell me what you guys think. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your opinion on this, alright? I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.